Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete text box in Microsoft Word. Okay, I'm going to show you the update method. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my text box. Let me zoom in. Okay, so there is a two way you can delete or vanish this text box line. Okay, in first method you can make invisible that text box line, so it is like no text box. Okay, so select that text box like this. Okay, just double click on it, then this shape format will be open. Now go to the shape outline and just click no outline, then text box outline will be vanished and it is look like no text box. Okay, the second method is, let me undo first. You can simply copy the text from this text box. Okay, copy or cut, paste outside, and now select that text box like this and hit the delete. Text will be delete. Now text box will be delete. Now you can keep your text, place your text where you want. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.